Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today. And within 2 days, Trump coin is coming to a decision. By the look of things, it is down and it might target a 35% move up. I have given this trade as a freebie. Please take it, try it. It's a 3% risk. Buy at 25.139. It is still at the very same place that we just bought. Okay, so I do believe that Trump is probably in the next 2 days about to move to the upside one more time. So we do have Trump with a falling wedge. So this is one little bit of a falling wedge, and hopefully if it breaks up, you're looking for a $35 in the future. So Trump is 68% down. We have this falling wedge. Well, you can try, right? You can try. It's a big discount, and I think trying this is a no-brainer. Can you lose? Well, manage your money. Okay, it's a 3%. Whatever you feel like losing with 3%. If you want to invest $10,000 and lose $300, do it. If you want to invest $100,000 and lose $3,000, that's up to you. The thing is that do your research on the risk. It is a risk by the end of the day, but I do believe, I have strong faith this is going to play out, because a lot of people have been pissed off with what January has been doing and stuff like that. So on the other hand, Pepe has not really come down to the technical target that I intended to see Pepe coming down from. Now, I actually did notice that on the 15 minutes time frame, we were creating a little bit of inverse head and shoulders. So if I do zoom out a little bit like this, then we have the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder. I actually try to scalp it a little bit up here to go and maybe sell it for an 8%, 7%, but I couldn't do so. It started coming down again for some weird reason. I thought it was actually going to go all the way to the target, and that's why I actually gave this call on the private as well. It didn't work out. This was the quick scalp I was looking for, 1460 and 1445. This was like 1% risk we were having. Yeah, but the thing is that it couldn't actually continue to go any higher, even though that was the technical target of this inverse head and shoulder. If you take like the top to bottom here and you place it just like that, it actually takes you up to that technical target. But then when you zoom out, and I had to check some few patterns probably on the weekly time frame as well, and in here on the weekly, the fact that you move up, number one is that Pepe has 3 black rows, right? So you have 1, 2, 3 red candles back to back. February has already started in here, but based on the monthly time frame, we still have an evening star. So there are chances that February will still go down. We're going to see a little bit of one red candle in February, but that might be the last red candle in the month of February before we start to reverse back up in March. So yes, we're close to all this bad times of altcoins, in my opinion, and I could even say that after this we might actually see an altcoin season for good, right? And one more thing is also that I'm gonna get into the 4-hour time frame here, and we have one resistance that Pepe actually moved up to, and I think it's getting rejected right over here. So if we take this trend line and we drop the trend line just like that, you may actually notice though you had some couple of support zones here. So you had the support right there, you had the support right here, you broke to the downside, and then you came up, and it looks like this was just a retest, and that's the reason why it never even went up to that technical target I was looking forward to, because the push that happened for Pepe was nothing more than just a retest to the upside. I do still think that this is a move down with a bear flag just like that, and this bear flag technical target is going to be from the top to the bottom, and we still might see, we have chances to see this coming down to 1036, and 1036 is going to be a very good entry for sure. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.